So welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video I'm here in Phuket, Thailand, but I'm down here at a place called Fittest Street, and it's the fittest street here in Phuket, probably all of Thailand really. It's loaded up with Muay Thai gyms, MMA gyms, a lot of protein shops, and if you want to learn how to fight, this is a place to come. This is where to stay, and you will learn how to fight, believe me. And what we're gonna do is take a little bit of a tour and show you around. It's a really cool place and a lot of fun. And this is just the beginning of it, so I'm gonna start here. This one's called the Lions MMA Club, and the well-known Tiger Muay Thai, which is at the very end. I'll call that my ending point. But it'll give you a good little tour of what's here. And I'm pretty excited about it. The first time I've been here, and I've always wanted to come here, so let's take a little tour and check. So once again, it's located here on Soi Taied Street here in the Shillong district, and I'll leave the link below. Look at these bags. I mean, you got, you know, little you can stay here literally as long as you want. It's a good place to learn the basics of really Muay Thai fighting, but this is what the gyms look like. Really awesome. Swadee Cup! Swadee Cup! Let's go check this place out. Looks like a nice one to check. Head in the back. It's called Ollie's Complex. Looks like it's got a lot of nice stuff here. Smokehouse. Come back for that maybe, huh? You know, all these gyms, these Muay Thai gyms are all open air. Getting it all ready to go. This is just like a little side street, and then it'll continue on down the other way. See the rings on the inside. Look at the size of these bags, they're really nice. Very nice. I'm not going to go in there. They might get a little bit riled up. You never know who's in there. I don't want to upset anybody, but maybe when I get down to the Tiger Muay Thai, I'll go in there. That's the name right there. Very nice. They got another one over here called the Singha. I just love these bags. I love kicking bags, punching bags. Tires do the same. Really build up the strength, the speed. I mean, I'm really into fitness. That's why I wanted to come down here. I just love it. I do it every day. I've done a little bit of Muay Thai in my time. By me, all means, I'm no expert, but I do know a little bit of the basics. And maybe one day I'll come down and like put in a 2-month training program, you know, for my own good, because I think that would overall be, you know, really good for the mind and the body. And there's no shortage of places to stay, believe me. I mean, you can rent out a place for however long you want, as long as you got the visa. That looks pretty good. I wonder if it's open. Oh, it is. Buddy Cup. So this fella's gonna let me inside the Uzbek house, and thought I'd check it out, take my shoes off, and go inside. Let's see. This is nice. Buddy Cup. How are you? YouTuber. The thing about this street, it's a little bit narrow. You can really watch the traffic. I mean, look at up there. You got, you know, rooms for rent. Yeah, I have no idea what you would pay, but I'm sure it's, you know, not overly priced, depending on which place you want to rent at. Yeah, the cheap meal. How about that? I mean, right here, I mean, I'll just kind of point it out. I'm not by any means affiliated with any of these places, but there you have it. I guess wherever you feel like staying. Now, maybe if you came here at night, it would be a little bit different. I'm not sure, but being a fitness fanatic myself, I really get into this. Even got a dental clinic. Ooh-wee. And of course, plenty of little Thai restaurants. Tons of protein shops. I think I've seen about 5 already just on this little block. I don't know if they're gonna let me walk in with a camera or anything, you know, on one of these gyms. I do really want to check out one of them, but I don't know how receptive I would be. Not like the fella that showed me the Uzbek restaurant. I don't believe it would be like that. There's another one. I smell curry. Let's see. That one's called the, not sure the name of that gym, but I'll walk down this road. I love Muay Thai. Probably a lot of little camps going on. These rings. Learn the technique. So pretty cool, huh? What do you think about this place? I mean, that's what I love. Nice, huh? Oh, this is called the Dragon Muay Thai. So come back up and make a left again. Okay, that's the one I just checked out on the side. They got vegetarian restaurants. Of course, protein. I see jugs everywhere. My gosh, everywhere you look, there's protein. Pharmacies. It's like that joint up there has got the kettlebell for a sign. Pretty cool. So this place looks like more like a CrossFit. Yeah, now that, I mean, there's nothing short of Muay Thai here. I'll try to walk down a little bit further than the Tiger Muay Thai. That seems to be the biggest one on the street. I mean, look at this gym on the inside. I can't go in there. You gotta be staying here, but this is the Apollo. Look at the size of it. 3 rings. Tons of bags. I have never seen a concentration of fitness. You see me in the mirror there? In one location, and this absolutely amazes me. And I know people from all over the world just come here. I think it's an excellent place to train if you're going to do it. You know what? Just get out and do it. Don't think about it. Just do it. So this will be my turnaround point, and head back the other way. Tell me what you think about this video of this really cool street I'm on. I'd really appreciate it in the comments. It really does help out my channel. So I'm just going to kind of take a little tour here. I'm not sure how far I can get. This is an incredible fight camp area, believe me. Like I say, I'll try to go up the other side. I don't think everything's locked. I wouldn't walk right in there. They would definitely shut me down. I mean, there's some well-known fighters in there. You know, gotta respect their privacy. So I decided to stop at this little protein shop along the way. Pretty neat. And this is like right alongside the road. Kind of just like a tiny little Thai restaurant. Very, you know, kind of laid back. So, kind of at the beginning of where I started my walk. So this is the end of this video, my little walking tour of Fittest Street here in Phuket, Thailand. And if this information helps you out or benefits you in any way, please consider giving it a like. It really does help out my channel. And time to wrap this up, go back, edit this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Phuket, Thailand. Later.